Spring is almost here. The weather is getting warmer, the days are getting longer and spring cleaning will be starting. But why stop at just spring cleaning your house? Here's 5 spring skincare trends that really work. Number 1. Beauty from the inside out. Forget about New Year's resolutions to eat better. Eating nutrient-packed superfoods are the latest trend in beautifying the skin. The key is to choose foods that are multitasking workhorses for your health and your beauty. Blueberries, for example, are rich in anthocyanin, an antioxidant that has anti-aging effects on the skin and health-boosting properties for your body. Renowned beauty expert Nicholas Perricone, MD, suggests eating berries, almonds and Brazil nuts, salmon, avocado, eggs, Greek yogurt, oysters, scallops, and green vegetables for glowing skin. Sip on green tea for an added boost of antioxidants in between meals. Number 2. Use a silicone sonic facial scrubber. This little wonder offers deep sonic cleansing of impurities and dead skin cells while also remaining free of acne-causing bacteria. Bristle-based facial brushes can hide bacteria, oil, and dirt. The other advantage to a silicone scrubber is that it comes with a narrow, round tip to deep clean around the nostrils. Here's a tip. Always remove your makeup fully each night. Letting your skin breathe and rejuvenate while you sleep is vital for beautiful skin. Number 3. Crystal Beauty Rollers. Skin rollers are a new trend based on an old principle. By increasing blood circulation to the skin, you will reduce inflammation and boost oxygen. Oftentimes, these rollers are used in conjunction with an oil-based facial treatment. It is thought to detoxify the skin and provide a more hydrated, youthful glow. Here's a tip. To combat morning puffiness, store your crystal roller in the freezer overnight and roll over the affected areas for about 5 minutes with light to medium pressure. Number 4. Microneedle masks. The concept behind these masks is to microscopically open the surface of the skin in order to deliver nutrients and hydration on a deeper level. Trending masks that are hot right now include ingredients like vitamin C for cell repair, hyaluronic acid for hydration, and retinol for cell turnover. Number 5. Blood plasma (PRP) facials. Kim Kardashian first made this blood-based facial popular on social media when she posted a selfie with her face covered in her own blood. This cosmetic procedure involves blood being drawn from your arm and then spun in a centrifuge to separate out the blood plasma. A numbing cream is applied to the face to help make you more comfortable, and then a microneedling device is passed over the surface of the skin. The blood plasma, also called liquid gold, is then applied to the microneedled skin to help boost collagen production, tighten pores, and even out skin tone. Fillers and/or blood plasma are often injected into creases and deep wrinkles for a 1-2 punch against the signs of aging. Results from the vampire facial are fully visible within just a few months, and they last for about 1 year. We hope that you've enjoyed watching this video. If you did, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe so you can be kept up to date whenever we post a new video.